We'll guide you through how to make a shared Google Calendar. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now we're handing over the guide to Pauser, who's continuing.
Just go ahead and open any web browser to your liking. I'm going to go with Google Chrome. And once that it is opened, just go to the search bar. After that, just go ahead and search for calendar.google.com. Or if you are using Google, you can just go ahead and go to this particular icon, and then here just go ahead and choose the calendar option, just like so. After that, you will land in this interface. Now here you can change your theme. So you can go with the default device theme, or you can go with light or dark theme. So let's say I want to go with dark theme. I'm just going to go ahead and select it, and you can see we have successfully toggled on dark theme. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on got it, and look over to the left hand side where you will see my calendar section. To create a new calendar that you can share with other people, just go ahead and click on plus icon, and when you hover over it, it will say add other calendar. Just go ahead and click on it, and then from here choose the create new calendar option, and now you will land in this interface. Now give your calendar a name. So let's say I want to name it something like GuideRealm shared calendar. After that, you can just go ahead and add any description to your liking, and then here you will see the owner also. Now just go ahead and click on create calendar, and now your new calendar has been created. So now just wait for it to complete, and you can see GuideRealm shared calendar has been successfully created. Now let's add an event to this shared calendar. Now just go back and go to the top, and then from here just go ahead and click on create at the top left, and then choose event and enter a title for your event. For this example, I'm just gonna go ahead and type something like team meeting. You can also choose it to be task or appointment schedule, so that you can also add location, description, and then before saving, just go ahead and click on your name at the bottom from here, and then from here just go ahead and choose any calendar to your liking, and here you can see the calendar icon. Just go ahead and click on the drop down and select the calendar that you want to assign the event to. So let's say I want to go with GuideRealm that we created earlier, so I'll just go ahead and select it, and you can even choose your color for it. So let's say I want to go with something like yellow. You will see it will be successfully changed. After you have selected the correct calendar, just go ahead and click on save. And now you can see when I toggle off the calendar that we assigned it to, you will see it will successfully disappear. So when I toggle it on, it is appearing, which means it is working correctly. You can also customize the appearance of your calendar. On the left hand side, find your shared calendar, and then just go ahead and click on the three dot from here, and then you can assign any color to your liking, and you will see it will be successfully changed. Now let's share it with other people. Again, click on the three dot just like so, and then from here you will see settings and sharing. Just go ahead and click on that, and from here you will see shared with. You can just go ahead and click on add people or group, and then choose the email of the particular person that you want to share with. So let's say I want to go with this person. I'll just go ahead and select it, and now it will successfully appear. Now before sending the invitation, choose the permission level that you want to give them. Just go ahead and click on the drop down for permission, and then if you want them to view your schedule, just go ahead and select see all event details. If you want them to add, edit, or remove event, you can just go ahead and select make changes and see all event details. After you have selected the permission level, just go ahead and click on send. The person will receive an email invitation. After they accept it, the shared Google Calendar will automatically appear in their calendar, and they will be able to access it based on the permissions that you selected. If you ever need to remove someone or change their permissions later on, simply return to the settings and sharing by just clicking on the three dots just like so, and go to settings and sharing, and then from here you can just go ahead and click on the cross icon just at the side of their name, and then they will be successfully removed. And that's how you can create and share a Google Calendar with other people. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.